Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by importing your media and setting the project aspect ratio so split-screen layout matches your final output. Once imported, make sure clips are trimmed to approximate sync points. This saves time later. Tap the timeline to add your first clip, then enable overlay or multi-track mode so you can layer the second clip. Pause now and confirm both clips play where you want. This is the foundation for precise split placement and smoother edits ahead. Now you create the split panels by adding the second clip as an overlay and using Transform to scale each clip to half or custom sizes. Once done, apply crop or mask, choose rectangle or custom mask to remove unwanted edges and form clean dividing lines. Make sure to position both clips using X/Y coordinates and link audio if needed so timing matches. If you need mirrored or asymmetrical layouts, adjust rotation and scale while watching both clips play together for visual balance. Finish by adding a dividing line or subtle color bar as an overlay to clearly separate panels, then perform color correction so both sides match lighting and tone. Once happy, scrub the timeline and add keyframes to pan or animate each panel for dynamic interest. This keeps movement synced. When exporting, preview at full resolution to spot offsets. If panels misalign or audio drifts, nudge overlays by small increments or recrop. That usually resolves timing and edge artifacts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.